Welcome everybody to Trading Jesus Tribe, where we're gonna talk about the prices for our favorite stock. And today we're gonna talk about TRCH. And I got a lot of comments from you guys asking you about to do an update. And as here I am, I'm just doing the update for you guys to there is a warning sign for TRCH is about to explode exactly at this price. If we saw it, guys, I promise you this will be really big price turned out for TRCH. So stay tuned to go right there and we see what we're gonna do and what's kind of strategy to prepare for this kind of explosion and capitalize on the profit that we can make. That's why we try to hunt for exact price value. As a Trading Jesus told you guys to be patient and hunt for exact price value. Without further ado, guys, let's go to the video. Before, blast the like button and check my Patreon in comment section below if you want caution one-on-one to know the price, where you buy, where you sell, precisely your favorite stock, and like in deep analysis for your favorite stock. At the same time, Discord channel also discuss the pre-market and after-market update for the prices. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. Look with me, guys. The price is going crazy because we bounce almost every time at this technical level. We have to be extra careful from this level. Let me highlight it for you guys. Around this level, $1.75. This is the strongest support for us for TRCH, and whenever we go here, there's a guarantee that we can make at least 25%. So this is really nice trade, and we've been doing higher highs right now since the 16th of April, almost like now 1 month is been doing good. We hit a bit of rejection around the $2.20, and we're still trending trading above the $2. We have this kind of bounce above the $2, and this is really sign of a good trade because we just tested the $2 above our exponential average. This is perfect, and what we want to see by today or this week, a test again for this technical area, really important technical area around the $2.41, and I can see the price is ready to go there, guys, because we have the earning, I think, by today, and this is, we might add a bit of catalyst to have this price movement to move from the $2 until almost the $2.50, but around the $2.41 precisely. So now what we want to see for the price to jump, and the perfect scenario is to hold above the $2 by today and by tomorrow, of course, and we go and we have a good earning news. We could go and we see the momentum to take us to $2.40, and at this level, guys, this is important. Here we might see a rejection again, a big rejection around this level. So whenever, if you're holding, this is a kind of strategy, you can take a bit of profit here, so you never feel FOMO. Because a lot of people, when they told me, okay, when where I should sell, I will tell them sell at the resistance, but don't be FOMO if you see the price go even to $2.48. Don't be FOMO until we see a consolidation above, a confirmation candle to close above, then you buy and you put your stop loss below. So never jump in when you see the price go even to $2.48, because we might see even a wick, then we close below it, and this is, you get caught up with buying really high and at the top, so you never know what's gonna be the end price until we see a closing candle. So that's why the patience is playing a really good actor in this kind of strategy. And the best cure for FOMO is not to sell everything, but at least sell profit. Just take 30%, 20% of your money and you sell here, so you be ready to average down. So even if you sell here and your the price go here, even 30% is good. So the 30% you sell at $2.40, you can average down at around $2. You see? or if the price go even to $1.70, you can average down here. So this is perfect if you just take a profit on the way, and so you never feel FOMO. So here we're gonna see explosion. Hopefully we have a good earnings, so we're gonna see a test first for the $2.40. If we have a good momentum, we're gonna see a big explosion above this, and then we hold above in order to confirm that explosion that happened right there. Then we're gonna see the $3. If we have the confirmation and test for the $2.41, we're gonna see the $3 really soon. But at the moment we need to hold above the $2, not going below the $2 or below our exponential average, because any price go below the $2, and here we're gonna see the price go again to $1.75. Simple as that, guys. And this is really important to hold this $1.75 again. If we don't hold, we're gonna see the price go again to $1.35 by the next week or this month, before we end this session in this month. So this is important level to test. So it depends, I think, more about the news earnings, so to give us a bit of momentum up, big of surge of investor to get back to buy in TRCH even after the big sell-off that would happen. So we gain back the trust of the big investor. That's what we care about, not the small trader, but the big investor, because they move the price up or down. So this is really important for TRCH, and hopefully we see a good news for the earnings, so it will take us above the $2.41, and let's use this momentum to take us to $3 this time. So guys, always be patient and just see the technical prices, and always take a profit on the way. If you're a holder and investor for TRCH, and you tell me the price will go even to 20 after 5 years, do so. But always, if you want to average down and you have money, okay, by all means just hold, but always average down at the right price. Don't just buy when the price go up. Buy when the price, I will just show you here the right technical price, so your average will be perfect, so you have more profit on your money. So that's it. So you can, it depends on your strategy. Don't focus. If you don't want to sell, this is a lot of people will sell. Swing trader, if you don't want to, there's another game for you. You can actually average down at the right prices. So don't focus on the other people's strategy, focus on the things that work for you. This is simple as that, guys. So without further ado, see you guys in the next video, and hopefully you have a nice trading session today, and we see some green. So get ready to hunt TRCH investors. See you guys.